A legal battle may be looming following the passage of the Transport Authority Validation and Indemnity Act in the Senate yesterday. This as transport associations, including the Jamaica Association of Transport Owners and Operators, JATOO, say they are seeking legal advice to challenge the government. We have more in this report. The passage of the Transport Authority Validation and Indemnity Act in the Senate on Friday protects the Transport Authority from legal action. This, even though it had been illegally collecting licensing fees from operators of public passenger vehicles, PPVs, for nearly 30 years. However, President of the Jamaica Association of Transport Owners and Operators, JATOO, Louis Barton, says his association will be seeking legal advice in an effort to challenge the government on constitutional grounds.
I think it's a really unconscionable act. We were of the opinion that the Constitution says that you cannot have a law that is retractable, that goes beyond a certain date. If you have a law today, then it is from now to forward. So we are saying that it is really like a discrimination against transport operators, because it's the entire sector that will be affected.
Mr. Barton believes the transport operators should be compensated for the years the operating fees were being illegally collected.
We are supposed to be compensated. If a law was there preventing us for fair competition, then we're supposed to be compensated for that unfair treatment. It's unfair morally and it's unfair economically. So we should be compensated for that. And we're going to ask for that.
A section of the Act states that between December 1989 and December 2015, the Transport Authority, without legal authority, collected fees from operators of public passenger vehicles to defray the cost associated with the regulation and monitoring of public transportation.